Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie Tips and Tricks. Hard-boiled eggs are easy to make, but I'm sure many of you, including myself, cooked them too long and ended up with a rim of green around the yolks. Or, when trying to peel off the shells, the whites were coming off. Here's the way my mother showed me, and it's bulletproof. So let's get cooking. In a saucepan, we'll add our cold eggs and fill it up 1 inch above them with cold water. We'll place the saucepan on the burner, turn the heat on medium-high, and bring it to a boil. When it gets there, we'll cover and turn off the heat. We'll let them sit there for 9 to 12 minutes. When time is up, we'll transfer the eggs to an iced water bath to stop the cooking process and set the timer for 15 minutes. After they've cooled off, we'll start peeling the eggs at the larger end because there's an air pocket that makes it easier to separate the shell from the membrane. Also, keep in mind that farm-fresh eggs are harder to peel. As you saw in this video, this foolproof method will give you perfect boiled eggs every time. I hope you enjoyed tips and tricks of the day, and for many more, including recipes, visit thefoodie.com. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!